Hello guys, today Dubstechnology Present. I beg to all of you to like and subscribe on my channel, because your support is the best to grow up this channel. Back to topics. So, Xiaomi is one of those companies that isn't particularly well known in the United States, despite being one of the largest phone brands in the world. While Xiaomi has become a household name in emerging markets, we are starting to see the company's handsome and affordable smartphones make their way to Western Europe. And don't count the US out of the equation, Xiaomi hopes to bring its phones to the States by the end of this year. While we are not entirely sure when Xiaomi will make its debut in America, we are hoping the Xiaomi Mi Mix 2S will be one of the first phones we get to try out. Here's everything we know about Xiaomi's upcoming phone. The Mi Mix 2 was shown with a front-facing camera notch in the upper right-hand corner. However, newer photos from Gizmo China show the selfie cam has been moved to the bottom of the phone. A firmware breakdown by XDA developers appears to confirm Gizmo China's leaked image. Interestingly, there's no visible fingerprint sensor on the front or back of the device. Some sources claim the phone will come with facial recognition tech like the iPhone X or an under-display fingerprint sensor, but there's no real evidence of either of those yet. Only a select few phones have managed to include an under-display fingerprint sensor, and some of the largest names in the mobile world have tried and failed, so don't hold your breath for that feature. But facial recognition does seem more likely given that various Android phones have been using that technology for years. Xiaomi's latest phone is very likely to be exceptionally powerful, even for a flagship phone. The Mi Mix 2S will run Android 8.0 Oreo, be powered by Qualcomm's latest Snapdragon 845, and come with 8GB of RAM and 256GB of internal storage, as was announced by Xiaomi itself on Chinese news site Weibo. The inclusion of the Snapdragon 845C puts the Mi Mix 2S on an even footing with most of 2018's premium flagship smartphones, including the Galaxy S9 and the assumed LG G7, while 8GB of RAM and 256GB of internal storage is pure overkill on Xiaomi's part. It looks like Xiaomi may be joining the AI game with the Mi Mix 2S. A camera watermark found by members of the XDA developers community points to AI functions. We are likely to see some pretty sweet AR functions as well, since it appears the phone will support Google's AR Core. We may, however, have to wait for specific camera details. We are all but certain the Xiaomi Mi Mix 2S will house dual camera sensors on the back. While earlier photos showed the sensors packed vertically, a more recent leak from Gizmo China shows the sensors stacked horizontally. Specs on the cameras are scarce, but there have been mentions of 12 megapixel cameras, one with an optical zoom. The front-facing camera will be housed at the bottom of the display like some other recent Xiaomi devices. Thanks for watching, so always stay tuned with new videos from my channel. Let's like, subscribe, and share my friends, cause you all the best.